Have you ever wondered how people earn money by recommending products on Amazon? Perhaps you've attempted this in the past, but faced challenges in obtaining approval or making sales. In 2025, things are evolving, and I'm excited to share a smarter way to start and succeed with Amazon's affiliate program. Having been involved in the Amazon affiliate space for some time, I understand what strategies work effectively. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating an Amazon affiliate account, getting approved, and quickly starting to earn commissions. Let's dive in. To get started, the first step is to join the Amazon Associates program. It's free and only takes a few minutes. 1. Open your web browser and search for Amazon Associates on Google. 2. Click on the official Amazon Associates website link. 3. On the homepage, look for a prominent yellow button that says Sign Up. 4. Click the button to begin your registration. Following these steps will set you on the path to becoming an Amazon Associate. If you already have an Amazon account, please log in. If you do not have an account, click on Create Your Amazon Account and enter your full name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, you will proceed to the first step of the application process. Here, you will need to provide your account information, including your name, address, and phone number. Additionally, you will need to select a payee name, which will appear on your checks or bank statements. This can be either your personal name or your business name, if applicable. Just a quick note, ensure that the payee name is accurate, as it is important for financial transactions. Ensure that all your information is accurate, as Amazon will use it for verification and tax purposes later. Once you have completed all the required fields, select the payee listed above if the account is for yourself. Then click Next. Now, let's get practical. Amazon needs to know where you plan to share your affiliate links. This could be on your website, blog, or social media platforms. A common misconception is that you need a large following to qualify. This is not true. Amazon is primarily interested in where you intend to share your content, rather than the size of your current audience. For this example, I will add the link to my new Pinterest business account. To promote products, start by copying the link and pasting it into the designated box. Click Add, then select No and click Next. Next, you'll set up your profile. Think of this as your introduction to the Amazon affiliate program. Choose a display name that reflects your brand. Since I'm focusing on Pinterest, I'll select a name that aligns with my Pinterest presence, but feel free to choose anything that suits your niche. Now, let's move on to the description. This is your opportunity to shine. Explain to Amazon what your content is about, who your target audience is, and what you hope to achieve on Pinterest. This version breaks down the information into clearer sections and enhances readability while maintaining the original intent. I curate and share inspiring product finds from Amazon on my social media, focusing on technology, gadgets, home improvement, and lifestyle. My goal is to help my followers discover the perfect products to meet their needs. Now, let's select the categories that best describe your content. For my setup, I chose Content or Niche Website. Next, please enter the verification code to confirm you are human. After that, take a moment to read the Amazon Associates Program Operating Agreement. Once you have reviewed it and agreed to the terms, check the box and click Finish. Congratulations, you have successfully applied to the Amazon Affiliate Program. However, please note that your application is not fully approved yet. Amazon requires you to demonstrate the ability to refer qualified sales before they officially accept your application. This version improves clarity, conciseness, and readability while maintaining the original meaning. You currently have full access to the Associate Central Dashboard, which you can use at any time. However, keep in mind that you must make at least one sale within 180 days. If you fail to do so, your application will be canceled and you will lose access to the program. One of the most crucial steps in this process is filling out your payment and tax information. This isn't just a formality. It directly impacts how you get paid, how much you retain, and even your credibility as an online entrepreneur. Let me share a mistake I made early on, which many of you might also be making. When I began earning money online, whether through affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or other avenues, I neglected to set up my business properly. This was a significant oversight. Once I started generating income, I realized that establishing a legitimate business structure, such as a US LLC, was transformative. It enabled faster payouts, better payment options, and enhanced credibility, especially on platforms like Amazon or in dropshipping. Navigating this process alone can be quite challenging. That's where Doula comes in to help. Doula makes the process of setting up your LLC incredibly easy, allowing you to complete the registration in just minutes, even if you're located outside the United States. But their services go beyond just registration. Doula also manages tax filings, bookkeeping, and even assists you in opening a US bank account, all from one user-friendly dashboard. If you want to focus on generating income while Doula takes care of the tedious legal tasks, be sure to check them out. Now that we've addressed the tax and business setup, let's move forward. We are now inside the Amazon Associates dashboard. Here, you can track your analytics, monitor your performance, and access detailed reports. This version breaks down long sentences, reduces repetition, and enhances overall clarity. Let me show you how to generate an affiliate link. First, visit Amazon.com and log into your Amazon Associates account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a toolbar at the top of the page called the Site Stripe. This toolbar allows you to create affiliate links for any product. Let's walk through an example. For example, this headphone wireless costs $34.99 and has a 3.0% commission rate. That means if someone buys this product using my affiliate link, I'll earn around $1.05 per sale. Not bad, right? To obtain your affiliate link, click Get Link on the Side Stripe toolbar. This action will generate a unique link containing your affiliate ID, allowing you to track your referrals and commissions effectively. Once you have the link, you can copy it and use it to promote the product anywhere, whether on your blog, social media, or YouTube content. To earn commissions when someone makes a purchase through your Amazon link, you need to use Amazon OneLink. This tool automatically directs users to their local Amazon store, ensuring you receive commissions regardless of their location. Here's how to set it up. 1. Click the settings icon on your Side Stripe toolbar. Select Earnings. 3. Click the 3-line menu and choose Tools. 4. You will find OneLink listed here. Click on it. To maximize your earnings, follow these steps. 1. Look for the option to enable global earnings. 2. Click Get Started. Then select the countries where you want to earn commissions. For instance, if you want to target Canada, the UK, France, and Germany, choose those countries and click Next. 3. Review and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Submit. 4. You're almost finished. 5. Finally, navigate to Redirection Preferences and click Update for each country you added. By following these steps, you will optimize your earning potential. I recommend setting the option to Close Match. This will ensure that visitors are directed to their local Amazon store. When they make a purchase, you will earn a commission. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to earn globally with Amazon OneLink. Before we wrap up, there are a few important rules to keep in mind to maintain a good standing with Amazon. While these may seem minor, they are crucial for keeping your account safe and running smoothly. Always disclose that you are an Amazon associate when promoting links on your blog or website. Important guidelines for affiliate links. 1. Avoid link shorteners. Never use link shorteners to disguise your affiliate links. Amazon values full transparency. 2. Placement of affiliate links. Do not place affiliate links in PDFs, ebooks, emails, or private groups. Instead, keep them on public platforms. 3. Do not mislead. Dentists do not ask people to click your links merely to support you. Amazon strictly prohibits this practice. 4th, self-referrals. You cannot purchase products using your own affiliate link, as this is considered self-referral. 5. Promoting appropriate products. Refrain from promoting any products that may be deemed offensive to children. By following these rules, you'll be on the right track to success. Now that your Amazon Associates account is set up, it's time to start earning money. Watch the following videos to learn the best strategies. I look forward to seeing you there.